Honestly,
we all get together. Bless you.
Excuse me.
We all get together like a couple nights a week. You know what? Oh, bless you. Okay, so you're gonna
allergy season.
Anyways,
The aircraft will be stopping.
is there like one vlog that you haven't sneezed in? The TV just hangs off the wall. Bless you. Thanks for that. Excuse me.
Sorry.
Mm.
Thanks.
Who got the Pretty Little Liars DVD set is my question.
We're all gonna die.
God bless you. God bless you.
So 10.
God bless.
One more. She does them in quadruplets.
Yes. Fours.
But, you know, we had a couple turnovers early. Bless you. I don't know. It's like...
Bless
You follow my friend Tiffany?
Yeah.
What's your comment? So C-O-M-E-T.
Bless you.
Bless you in advance.
Bless you.
Megawatt stardom going on in there.
Really?
Oh, bless you.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Well, I'm gonna sneeze.
Oh no.
You have a chance to win the CMA block party right now. Cassidy's gonna, I'm gonna get her tissue.
Bless me. No one else is gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Sorry. I'll continue talking about important things in a second. Excuse me. Thank you. Okay.
And I'm still sorry about that to this day.
Excuse me.
Oh my goodness, that
I
sneeze.
think that's French.
Strange, but bless you.
I forgot how to.
I'm trying to
Speak
help you
English.
say it in Spanish.
Yeah.
Salud.
Bless you. Bless you. It's a tiny sneeze.
Show. So the bless you. No problem.
Tweet Demi Lovato. That's her tweeting you back. God bless you. Thank God bless you.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh my God.
Everyone make love. What do you? Ew!
Battle.
Thank you, S4MOZ3. What's
With a bed that came from Sri Lanka.
Sorry, just 1 second. Whew. Sorry. I know you're not supposed to sneeze into your hands. I know everybody that just saw that. Excuse me, it's just me here, and I'm going to wash them as soon as we're done with this. But
And then we'll go back to interview after. Bless you.
thank you. So in the game,
I must sneeze.
Yeah, I'm gonna get Bless you. Good, freaking
thank you. Thank you.
Kind of just
Sorry. I'm gonna sneeze, you guys.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to hide it.
Oh my god, or cry. Are you okay?
Oh my god. Do you want me to get you a tissue? I really don't need a tissue. It's the fire.
The
Sneeze. Sorry. I'm so sorry.
I'm trying to cry.
This is not to me. No.
Good, how are you?
Yeah, great, thank you. It's lovely to meet you.
Bless you.
jeez.
Bless you. That was so good. Oh, thank God that was a good one.
James Charles, guys, making everyone feel untalented since he was born.
I gave up.
I'm about to sneeze.
Oh, my Lord.
Thank you.
That was scary because I just put mascara on this eye so it's still wet.
Red apples. Red apples.
But this also could be Switzerland. I just sneeze.
It won't be monetized the same.
I just sneeze.
Look up.
It's not coming out. Hell is bad.
Because your advertisers are looking
Hell is bad.
for.
Thanks.
You gotta believe in me. Believe it like a Thank you. Pardon, excuse me. Woo!
And Katie has to sneeze. You have an allergy.
Enthusiasm isn't the only thing that's becoming contagious.
Bless you, bless you.
Oh, I have to sneeze. Oh no. Oh. Hi. Hi. I think I have to sneeze. No. Anyways, so we became bros. Yeah, no, I still have to sneeze. Okay.
Oh, you sound like Minnie Mouse was getting attacked.
Bless you. Thanks.
I have to sneeze. Oh my god. That was the most aggressive sneeze. That was so funny. What?
By the way, I forgot to take my allergy medicine this morning.
There was 3 people in the audience.
Bless you.
Whoa!
But you don't let it out when you sneeze. You just like.
I'm not gonna let it out. That's disgusting.
I need to put my mouse in.
Oh no.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Which are basically my. Don't excuse me. Hold on, don't mind me. I'm gonna sneeze. Excuse me. Thank you.
Hang on, I have to sneeze.
Look in the light. Look in the light. That light. Yeah.
Oh, yes.
I have to sneeze. Okay, never mind. But
they only want me cause I'm famous. I'm A-Boogie with the hoodie, but just call me baby.
Bless you. Mine is, that's nice of you.
Smiley face. I'm not allergic to anything. Are you okay?
Yeah,
you good?
Yeah,
I actually don't really have allergies. I'm lucky.
Yeah.
You?
I'm allergic to this question.
Oh, weird.
I have to sneeze. That felt good.
Hold on, I'm about to sneeze. I feel it coming. Thank you. We're good. We are good. Bless you. Thank you. Thank you, guys. You're so sweet.
Whoa. How do I skip this?
1 second, I need to sneeze. Basically, thank you.
How many bless yous are you gonna get in the chat right
I know, right?
I'm gonna sneeze any second.
I'm about to sneeze.
Hold on, come here.
Oh my goodness.
Bless you.
I felt it coming and then I was like, I'm not gonna answer.
Godzilla, or are you Team Kong, and why? Bless you.
I knew it was coming and I was like, don't ask that question, let me sneeze. Sorry. Oh no, I hate sneezing when I drive. It's so scary.
Yes, I mean, that criticism that you're a brand, you really don't want to answer this question, do you?
Do you remember when we were doing like 10 things at once as well? We were doing interviews and signing and something.
That's what it was all like. It was all just.
All these days, I guess because you guys have had success.
Было очень интересно и захватывающе.
Don't get that much negative press. The press are really good to it. So, bless you, Liam.
I'm gonna sneeze there. Hay fever.
Sneeze. Excusez-moi.
Okay. You go the same way as what your elbow.
Like about maybe 500 meters.
Yeah.
At least 20,000 meters.
Yeah.
Hey guys. You know, people being honest about their feelings and then like bless you, people acting.
Sorry. What is your favorite thing to do? My favorite thing to do. Excuse me. My favorite thing to do is sneeze.
You know, I asked you this a little bit earlier, but when you were deciding to come back with that charity, we were talking a little bit in general about recent events in this country, was there one or a few of these events that really kind of helped trigger it for you to get involved with EJA and kind of come back together?
Excuse me. Thank you.
Bless you. A bit of allergy around this place.
Sexy film.
What?
Woo!
Yeah,
I'm
wear the
scared
blue
underneath.
one. Wear the blue one.
I'm gonna sneeze. Oh my god! I'm the weirdest sneezer ever. What was that? I just tried to sneeze really softly. So I didn't ruin my lips. Oh my god, I think I just sneezed off a lash. Did I? Allergy to sneeze. 3, 2, 1! I am the most not attractive sneezer ever. Did I just like mess up my eyelashes from sneezing? And am I the only one that can talk and sneeze at the same time? Well, that was weird.
It's a live show, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm so sorry, dude. I was trying so hard not to sneeze.
I can sneeze.